Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by containing risk. Disconnect the affected device and don't reboot because volatile data and running malware traces matter. Next, preserve the message exactly, save as ML or forward to a secure mailbox that retains full headers. That lets you trace the path. Also capture screenshots and timestamps for a timeline. Once done, label and isolate any attachments separately for analysis, so you can prove chain of custody and avoid contaminating evidence while you prepare the next investigative steps. You proceed to forensic analysis. Parse the full headers to examine the received chain and authentication results like SBF, DKIM, and DMARC, because forged senders often fail these checks. Then, extract URLs and open them only in a sandbox or virtual machine. Use URL scanners and inspect domains character by character to spot homoglyphs. For attachments, compute hashes and run them through multiple engines inside the isolated environment. This confirms whether payloads match known malware and helps you decide containment versus cleanup steps. You finish by reporting and remediating. Submit findings, headers, and IOCs to your security team and notify affected users so they can change passwords and watch for follow-ups. Then quarantine or remove malicious files, reset compromised credentials, and apply any relevant patches. Once remediate, monitor network and endpoint logs for recurrence and hunt for related artifacts. If you don't see expected logs, perform targeted scans and recheck saved evidence. If problems persist, escalate to incident response with your preserved timeline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.